On a Saturday.
Okay. So now you think you're going to be a convict?
Well, no, okay, listen. So I didn't realize my insurance was expiring
nice
tomorrow
planning ahead,
until
Silverado.
today.
Okay.
So I call up my company, I say like, hey, and how did it go over?
Call Marika and Braden 489
Nice parking, Tundra.
Join the
Pretty sure that's not a
conversation.
parking spot.
Now
There's nobody even
radio.
around. Nice blinker, Silverado. Oh. Okay. Are you gonna stop?
Line up on a Friday.
That's awesome. Yeah, we have Bella texting in here wanting to shout out to her friend Aislinn. I think is how you pronounce it.
Oh, of course, you're gonna make a last second decision.
Happy birthday.
Oh,
It's
wow.
the Marika and Braden show.
The goose she put on my face.
Oh no.
Still wouldn't give me
Nice
my money
blinker.
back. Basically said nope.
You need headlights, buddy. Nope, you're not getting the hit. Did you even stop behind me?
Cool days and nights are headed our way, and nothing warms you up better than delicious meals with the family. So stop by Safeway and Sobeys this Saturday for our fall food fair between 11 and 4 and sample some of our
That
fall
cyclist
food
should really have
favorites.
some lights.
You'll get the
He's practically
opportunity to bring the
invisible.
warm and
Ferrari! Wow, this 8-cylinder modern marvel is red. It's also really fast. Your ticket's
Nice
also
running
ready
your
to
stop
win all
sign
our
there,
dream
buddy.
prizes, including our biggest dream home yet.
Oh, why are you guys... I don't think you can park on a corner like that. Don't think you can park that close to a bus stop there as well. I hope you're stopping. Oh, why couldn't you signal earlier? I'm pretty sure you have a stop sign there. Oh, come on. Why can't you signal? A little bit earlier. What exactly are you doing there? On the wrong side, next to a fire hydrant.
Okay, so we're having a conversation right now if you want to join in at 56789 about something that caught you off guard. And this text came in and says,
Is that? Oh my god, is that someone without their headlights on? Oh my god. Oh, you're an idiot.
assumed was a loser. My 6-year-old niece loves double
Nice
checking.
blinker.
Well, it turns out my card was a winner.
Oh my god.
Worth 10.
Hello?
Longer. Everybody sit.
And now, Sofa.
Oh my god, what a fucking idiot. Why are you stopping? He's just stopped there. He has his own lane. It's a free flow lane back there.
Continue straight from.
What the fuck? That person up there does not... Yeah, parking right there. Doesn't seem to know what he's doing. Ahead. You did not need to get so close before you passed. Please don't tell me, oh, you're making a last second decision and you just crossed a solid white line. What the hell are you doing?
In 1.5 kilometers, turn left on 50 Avenue.
Good lord, you're an idiot. So you had like tons of opportunity to pass, and you wait until there's a blind hill. Good lord, you're an idiot.
One of Canada's great flying aces. And they've
You are
embraced his
not
spirit
good at
with a
pulling over there.
family-friendly grand opening that aims for the sky. Come to Cybecker today to view some...
Turn left.
That was a little close up there a little earlier.
Turn
Oh,
left.
and
Then turn right.
you guys are not allowed to park there.
Turn right.
What
Then
the?
turn left.
What the hell was that person doing? Like, he was just stopped there.
So, you know, maybe getting into, not really an argument, but as you said, calling out another parent.
Mm-hmm. And if you have to, why did you do it?
Call Marika and Brayden. 189-4669.
You definitely didn't stop behind me. Oh. Oh man, this is even worse than it normally is.
You've arrived at your destination.
Why are you in the middle? And you're not even looking in my direction. are you looking? You might
Ride that prides itself on fuel efficiency. Upgrade to iActive Sense and drive with the peace of mind our suite of available safety technologies provide. Upgrade to the AJAC award-winning Mazda 3 and CX-5 on select new Mazdas. Now is the perfect time to upgrade. Visit your Mazda dealer or Mazda.ca today.
Hey, want to get breakfast at Tim Hortons?
Did you even stop behind me?
First, we got a 3-hour paddle. 5K. No, it's gonna hurt my
I want
nose.
the nail family to imagine it. You're a good actor.
Ouch.
Turn left.
The bruising on the inside.
Raj sneeze.
I had my keyboard and I'm working
Yeah.
on my assignment. And I was sick, so I sneezed and I went face first into the keyboard.
Into your laptop.
My sister came running into the room thinking like I was being attacked, so we broke into the house. I was like, no, just...
I stand by what I said before. This has never happened to me. I've never sneezed and bashed my face into... I was caught off guard when my boyfriend of 3 years proposed to me on our vacation in Thailand this summer. I didn't see it coming, but it was the...
Guy jaywalking behind me.
I was thinking about the band. We were underground, load of merch in that 12-passenger van in a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside at first night.
Why are you two just standing in the middle of the road?
Now look where we at, so growing. So growing. I'm laying my
Guys. Oh, what's going on there? Holy. Oh my god.
In 300 meters, turn left.
There's obviously a fire at this building. There's fire trucks here. There's a whole bunch of people crowded outside. Obviously a fire broke out.